Hello everyone, this is Flora and this is my System Software and Compiler Lab experiment number 8. So today I am working on loader. So basically what's a loader? A loader is a program which performs loading processes which need not perform linking, but it performs program relocation, etc. So basically what a loader does is it retrieves the program from the memory, gets it to the main memory so that any user, that any application that accesses through it can use the details that is loaded from the memory. So what I have done in this is I have loaded my machine language to the main memory. So whatever is present in the machine language, I have read that, and then those addresses and the values I have loaded to the main memory to access it. So how I have done is I have asked the user to write the sample. So I have this input file wherein I have saved a sample program wherein I have written the details about I have converted a program to its object code and saved it. So what my loader program is doing is it will check if I have a name, and then it will print that program name, and once it encounters one set of object code, once it accepts one set of object code, then it will print its location and its object code, whatever details that are present in that particular location. Suppose if I have an STA operation and my opcode is 23 and I have loaded to a location called 1000, so it will print that at 1000 there is this value 23. So it's up to the user to further process it, or the devices that are connected to further process it, read that 23 as STA and store the values to the accumulator. So loader only does is loads the value that's there in the memory to the main memory so that it can be accessible. So I have seen that if I encounter a T, that is my text record, then I have passed for the starting address. Once I have unless I have encountered the symbol called this, that is the next set of object codes, then I have saved that value. I have added the location address by the number of type of address that we are using for that particular opcode or particular object code, and then I have printed the output of it. So when I compile this, it will ask me to enter the program name. So as we saw, our program name was sample, and then it will convert those. I started from 1000. The starting address of the program was 1000 followed by, since it was an LDA operation, that's why it gives 00. Then the next address stores the next value for it. So this is how loader works. Thank you.